The Egyptian pyramids.
埃及金字塔。
Long ago, in the desert beside the Nile River, Egyptians began building huge pyramids.
很久以前，在尼罗河旁的沙漠中，埃及人开始建造巨大的金字塔。
Long ago, in the desert beside the Nile River, Egyptians began building huge pyramids. The most famous of them is the Great Pyramid of Khufu.
其中最著名的是胡夫金字塔。
The most famous of them is the Great Pyramid of Khufu. The Great Pyramid of Khufu is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world.
胡夫金字塔是古代世界7大奇迹之一。
The Great Pyramid of Khufu is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It was built about 4,500 years ago.
它建于大约4500年前。
It was built about 4,500 years ago. The pyramids were built as tombs for the pharaohs.
金字塔是为法老而建的陵墓。
The pyramids were built as tombs for the pharaohs. Ancient Egyptians believed the pharaoh would travel to the afterlife after death.
古埃及人相信法老死后会前往来世。
Ancient Egyptians believed the pharaoh would travel to the afterlife after death. Therefore, they placed treasures and daily necessities inside the tombs.
因此，他们在墓中放入珍宝与日用品。
Therefore, they placed treasures and daily necessities inside the tombs. The pyramids were constructed from millions of huge stone blocks.
金字塔由数百万块巨大石块堆砌而成。
The pyramids were constructed from millions of huge stone blocks. Each stone block was extremely heavy.
每块石头都非常沉重。
Each stone block was extremely heavy. Workers completed this great project with wisdom and teamwork.
工人们用智慧与团队合作完成这项工程。
Workers completed this great project with wisdom and teamwork. Near the pyramid stands the famous Sphinx.
在金字塔附近，还有著名的狮身人面像。
Near the pyramid stands the famous Sphinx. It guards the entire pyramid complex.
它守护着整个金字塔群。
It guards the entire pyramid complex. The 4 sides of the pyramid are almost perfectly aligned with north, south, east, and west.
金字塔的4个面几乎完美对齐东西南北。
The 4 sides of the pyramid are almost perfectly aligned with north, south, east, and west. This shows the ancient Egyptians' precise knowledge of astronomy and mathematics.
这显示出古埃及人精准的天文与数学知识。
This shows the ancient Egyptians' precise knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. Inside the pyramid are narrow passageways and mysterious burial chambers.
金字塔内部有狭窄的通道与神秘的墓室。
Inside the pyramid are narrow passageways and mysterious burial chambers. For many years, people have been full of curiosity and imagination about the pyramids.
多年来，人们对金字塔充满好奇与想象。
For many years, people have been full of curiosity and imagination about the pyramids. Some people once guessed that aliens helped build them.
有人曾猜测外星人帮助建造它们。
Some people once guessed that aliens helped build them. However, historians believe they are the result of human wisdom and hard work.
但历史学家认为这是人类智慧与努力的成果。
However, historians believe they are the result of human wisdom and hard work. Today, the pyramids still stand tall in the desert.
如今，金字塔仍然屹立在沙漠之中。
Today, the pyramids still stand tall in the desert. They witness the glory and legend of ancient Egyptian civilization.
他们见证了古埃及文明的辉煌与传奇。
They witness the glory and legend of ancient Egyptian civilization.